Good morning students, I am your maths teacher Sandeep sir, and for standard 3rd C we are going to start our subject which is maths. Let's move on to the next chapter which is chapter number 4, subtraction without borrowing. Now first of all, what is subtraction is? Subtraction is to take away anything from the given objects. Take away means to minus it. Let's see, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pens. Now I will take 2 of them and I will remaining with the 1, 2 and 3 pens only. That means I have taken away the 2 pens. That means I have minus it or subtract it from the given bunch of pens. So subtraction means to take away anything from the given number. So what we have here? We have a question here, subtract 234 minus 123. That means we have to minus 123 from 234. Now 234, in 234 we have 2 hundreds, 3 tens and 4 units. Now here we have 2 hundreds, 3 tens and 4 units. Now we have to minus 123 from it. So 1, 2 and 3. That means 100, 2 tens and 3 units that we have to minus them. Minus them means to take away from it. Now we have 200s here. What we have to take away? 100. So I will just minus 100 from the given tens. That means we have left with the 100 only. Now we have to minus 3 from 2. So let's minus 1, 2, 3 and we have to minus 2 from it. So take away 2 tens from the bunch of 3. We have left with the 1 only. Now how many units we have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to take away 3 from it. So 1, 2 and 3. I have taken away from the 3 units from the 4 units. So left with the 1 unit only. How many hundreds and tens and units we have left with? 100, 110 and 1 unit left. So that means our number is 100, 110 and 1 unit. In this way we get the answer. When we subtract 123 from 234, we get 111. That is 100, 1 tens and 1 units. Now we just have to arrange this in the vertical form also. In the vertical form, when we will arrange the first biggest number at the first, and then we will subtract smaller number from the given number. Which is the bigger number here? 234. So I am just writing it 200, 3 tens and 4 units. In this way we get number 234. What we have to minus? 123. So 100, 2 tens and 3 units. Now just started with the first units, because we have to start the subtraction from right to left. So first subtract unit from unit, then tens from tens and then hundreds from hundreds. In this way we have to start it with the first units. How many units are there? At first we have given 4 units. We have to subtract 3 units from 4. So let's minus it. We have 4 number here. We have to minus 3. 1, 2 and 3. How many I have left with? I have left with 1 only. So I am writing it 1 here. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we have to minus tens from tens. So here 3 tens and I have 2 tens here. We have to minus 2 from 3. So I have first biggest number 3. Now we have to minus 1 and 2 here. What we are left with? 1. Finally we have place value 100, which is 2 minus 1. So minus 1 from 2. I have 2 here, minus 1 is 1. In this way, we get the number 111. So in the vertical arrangement, we have to first subtract unit from unit, then move on from the left to right, subtract tens from tens, then subtract hundreds from hundreds. In this way, we have to follow these steps. While the vertical arrangement, we have to subtract any number from the given number. We have to follow these steps. Now move on to the second question. We have question number 2, arrange vertically and subtract. Now we will be just given the numbers and we have to arrange them first vertically and then subtract the smaller number from bigger number. So we just have to write the first bigger number and then smaller number. So let's get started with the first problem, 455 minus 35. Let's start it first with the place values. 455. In the 455 we have 5 units, 5 tens and 4 hundred. And now in the 35 we just have 5 units and 3 tens. There are no hundreds in 35. So let's just arrange it in the vertical form. 455 we just have to write them in the vertical form. So 5 units are there, 5 tens are there and 4 hundreds are there. Arrange 35 also. 5 is unit and 3 is tens. Let's subtract smaller number from the bigger one. So 5 minus 5. 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I left? 0. There is nothing left. When we subtract the same number, we have 0 left. Now move on to the tens. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 1, 2, 3. What we are left with? 2. So the answer is 2. Move on to the next step, which is 100. Subtract 100 from 100. We have 4 minus nothing. Nothing means there is 0. We don't have to actually write the zeros here. But for your information, I have written the 0 here. Now 4 minus 0, we just have to minus nothing from 4. So 4 minus 0 is 4. So if any number is subtracted with 0, the same number will be left if we subtract the number with 0. Let's get another example. Here we have 654. We have to subtract 213 from it. First of all, I will put the place value to it. Here 654, we have 4 units, 5 as tens, 6 as 100. In the 213, I have 3 units, 1 tens, 2 100. Arrange them vertically. As the 654 is bigger than 213, we will write 654 first. So there is 4 units, 5 tens, 6 hundreds. And in here 3 units, 1 10 and 2 100. Let's minus 3 from 4. We have 4 fingers here. We have to minus 3 from it. So 1, 2 and 3. We will remain it with the 1. Now subtract tens from tens. So 5 tens minus 1 10. That means 5. We have to minus 1. So I will just going to minus 1 here. What we have left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 5 minus 4 is 4 tens. Now move on to the hundreds place value. We have to minus 100 from hundreds. That is 6 from 2. So there is 6. I will minus 1 and 2. I am left with the 4 here. So let's write 4. In this way, we will arrange the given numbers vertical form, and then afterwards we will going to subtract the number. I am going to give you the examples, another examples to solve them. For till then, goodbye for Sandeep sir. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.